Jake here, time for a shop update. Our featured YouTuber is an Instagrammer. Mark Patterson from Shop Dog Workshop does fantastic resin work. His Instagram page is pretty cool, so go check out what he does. Good job, Mark, and you're the featured YouTuber. I've only had 2 videos since the last shop update, and one of them was the virtual craft festival. We did it live. I had some problems with the internet, the weather, and I found out that the cable that we ran was no good. So I went and I ran some this last weekend. I got to get a ditcher and all that stuff. You're going to see this on Sunday, and then I go on vacation after that. So the new cable is ran. I won't have that problem anymore. Everything I could have done wrong with the cable, I did wrong with the cable, but that's how you learn. So that's done. I made a trophy for a drag racing team. A young man named Matt Diamond, pretty good drag racer, excellent drag racer actually. The whole family is awesome. I made them the trophy, and they enjoyed it, and I'll be making them one next year probably too. With future projects, this table is still going to be made. It's still going to be cool. I had to wait for some things. One of them was a router for the flattening jig. So that's it. That'll be a video all in its own, is making that, building that flattening jig. So, but all of this is on hold until I have an extended amount of time to get it done. I'm excited for it. It's going to be, the longer you wait on this, the cooler it's going to be. So this one will be worth the wait, and I'll show you what's upcoming pretty soon. On the 27th of March, I'm going to be doing another live craft festival. So that's where the wires need to be right, the internet needs to be right. This stuff looks like a train wreck right now, but I promise it'll get better. And you don't see this stuff while it's going on, and it should be pretty cool. So to practice for that, on the 10th, I'm going to be doing a live on my Patreon to test everything out. So if you're a patron, go there on the 10th. I'll be putting notes on Patreon to when it's going to go out, and on Instagram and stuff. One of the things I wanted to talk about is, do you prefer, 5 to 15 minute project videos that are pre-edited, or do you prefer lives? I'm going to do a mix of both of them. I just want to get a discussion down below of what you like about them and what you don't like about them. So the music haters are going to like the lives better, I got a feeling, because there's no music. So there you go. Tool talk. Let's talk about CNCs. I've had this one for a few years. It's a great machine, but I want to know what other machines that people have that are watching this, and why do you like them? Is it cost? Is it the ease of assembling it? Anything like that? The software. Let's get a discussion going down below about CNC machines, and we'll see what other kinds are out there and what people like. Now let's talk about affiliates. Alumilite, let's talk about them for a second. I was on their podcast about a month ago or so. I'll put a link to that video up here. Super cool, they put it out there. People responded to the coupon codes and everything, and it was amazing how many people jumped on board and did that. Now, the coupon code's there all the time, but it's a one-time code. But it always helps me if you use my link to get to Alumilite. So I appreciate every one of you for doing that. It helps a ton. And then Starbond super glues, they changed my coupon code from Jake10 to Jake15. You get 15% off everything in their site. This stuff is simple, it's super glue, but I've had this for about a year, and I can still take the lid off. There's like some kind of seal in there or something. It's a simple thing. It's the little things usually that get you. And there it goes. It's good for a long time. Usually I mess up super glue, but Jake15 at checkout, 15% off. And I have a new affiliate. It's Candy Pigments. And the first little order that I made, they haven't sent me anything or whatever. I just became an affiliate and I bought some of their stuff. The packaging alone was amazing, and it come in this box, has some stir sticks with it, some stickers, a book, and super cool stuff. But the thing on that one just like on Alumilite, it's a one-time code. This one is Jake10 also, but you need to go through my link for me to get credit. It's the only thing, and I appreciate it if you do that. All the next things coming up with the lives are going to be with their pigments, so I'll be able to see what's going on, and then the next batch of things you see on Instagram are going to be all from the Candy Pigments, and I can't wait to get started. Also, those of you that shop on Amazon on a consistent basis, it's noticed, it's appreciated, and thank you very much for doing that. That's the thing that makes a difference right now for me to go full-time is the Amazon and all of these things like this. I'd like to thank all the patrons right here, and the reason why I haven't asked for patron support before was because I didn't have time to do anything on Patreon. And coming up in the very near future, I'm gonna have time. Just like on the 10th, we're gonna be doing that live, and we're gonna make it a monthly thing. And I'm gonna say right now that once a month we are gonna be doing that. And then when we make pin blanks on there, you get to pick the colors and all that stuff, and we'll pick someone out of the chat room to get a couple of the blanks every time. So that's exciting stuff. I'm about to start having more time in the shop, make videos for you. So hang on, be patient. The light is at the end of the tunnel, and we're almost there. So y'all be good, be safe, and y'all have a good day.